What did you do?
Gotcha.
Did you catch those fish?
Huh?
You're flipping them? What are you doing now with the pan?
I'm flipping them.
What are you doing with the fish?
Cooking.
You're cooking the fish?
Huh?
Oh, that's a good idea. What are we going to do with the fish?
Eat them.
We're going to eat them? That looks yummy. That looks like a lot of yummy fish. Did you catch all those?
Yeah.
Wow, where's your fishing pole?
I don't know. That one. Where's the fish in?
Can you show the camera your fishing pole? Wow, you caught all those fish with that? Good job, honey. Do you want to make me a fish sandwich?
Sure.
Okay.
One sure.
Make sure they're cooked first. We got to make sure we cook fish real well. Are they all warmed up and cooked?
Yeah.
Okay. That looks like a good bunch of fish to eat.
Huh?
Yeah. Do you find the bread? Quillian, hurry, get a couple pieces of bread. No, I want a fish sandwich. Watch out, Homer.
Yeah.
Okay, make me a fish sandwich, please.
Huh? This one
That looks good bread. That's good. Put some fish on there. I want fish on my fish sandwich. You're going to put bacon on it too? Is that a swordfish sandwich? Oh, that looks great.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, thanks, honey. That looks like a good swordfish sandwich. I got the tail. Oh, thanks, honey. Do you want to try some swordfish?
I took this is the fish. This one.
Oh, is that another one? Okay.